what we saw from the market and what we see as perspective is that in the European Union we have something like 25 billion euro which are wasted in waste heat. They are not used in any kind in all of the machinery, they are just spilled. So we see that for being ecologic and for having a high economic reuse, we should make use of this waste energy, and we thought about what kind of technology would help us the most. It's not reasonable to generate more heat and then to make for heat, for instance, cooling. But if you have waste heat, then you should do something with it. Now we were looking at the temperature levels. What temperature levels are there which are also permanent there? And you have high temperatures levels which are according some melting or some ironizing processes which are 300, 500,000 degrees, but they are available for maybe some hours and then they are vanished. And so we felt that it is necessary to have an access to lower temperature waste heat recovery. And that is where we placed our technology in the temperature level of 120 to 150 degrees of waste heat recovery, because there a lot of waste heat is available but not really accessible and used from other technologies. So it made therefore sense to look also into what is then to be deployable in the industry. If you have technologies which are using dangerous working fluids, if they are using thermal oil, then it may waste or disrupt the production process by poisoning the medium which is used in the product process. And so we selected water. So water was a must to do that. And we said it must be also a refrigerant or cooling medium which is not poisonable, which is environment friendly. And that gave, after 5 years of research, our new ORC technology, the organic Rankine cycle, which makes now on a high efficiency, which is best in the market, the best usage of those temperature level, which is roughly to be estimated about a value, Germany, or from that figure I said before, something like 12 to 16% of this value we were telling you in the market. Yeah? And the moment we have with that technology in applications which are well fitting because they have has sufficient energy or has sufficient supply time, it's important to have best 24 hours the same supply. Huh? For that waste heat, we have something like beneath 4 to 6 years of return of invest, which is quite impressive for a technology which is practical new in the market. Yeah? We are at the moment being in the early adopter phase, where this technology is still have some price, yeah? And we are seeing that with the volume we will have further benefits for the customers then, also in pricing, so that we can achieve much better return of invest. What is our perspective there? And so again, the benefit of Bosch, or the thinking of Bosch, is we should not promote technologies which are increasing waste heat or which are increasing, let's say, other economically cost or environment friendly depth in that sense. We should really have, and that's our vision, deliver something which is technology for life. That is our vision, and that is what we want to put in the market. And this is one of our examples. And the other example was, for instance, also the heat pump example, because you may imagine that you have buildings where on one side of the building is hot and the other side is cool. And instead of needing then a burner in the cellar and a cooling tower on top, we are able in most times to balance the energy need in this building. So we are taking from one side the warmth coming from the cooling and doing the heating on the other side. And this is totally balanced and is only with one water cycle. So also again, water is a base medium, no other dangerous refrigerant or working fluid. So from one side to the other, we have all the then a balanced energy supply, also with no additional energy use. And those are those smart technologies which we feel at home being a technology-driven company. So basically those two examples, I was glad now to have the opportunity to introduce to you as examples we are using as technology.